Today I'm going to show you what comes in the EasyPress Mini Bundle. That is $119. It comes in this big box here, and the EasyPress Mini comes in a different box by itself. So it comes with 4 strong bond everyday iron-on, 2 foil iron-on, 2 holographic sparkle, and 2 glitter. It comes with the weeding tool set that has quite a few handy weeding tools in it if you don't already have it. Comes with the essentials tool set, which if I were to buy one tool set for weeding and cutting and scraping, this would be it. Comes with the sharpest scissors, the sharpest paper cutter, a scraper to scrape things off your mat, to clean your mat too. This helps you get paper and stuff that's stuck on the mat off. This helps you hold on to things really lightly without hurting them. This is just a regular weeding tool, and this is a scoring stylus. You can buy this separately. Not too long ago it was out of stock, but it comes in this essential bundle. So this is really the best starter kit if you have to buy one. I believe they're 25 bucks on Cricut sometimes. I'm not sure if it's still on sale right now, but yes, that's the best one. Okay, here is the Cricut EasyPress Mini. This is the box that it comes in. It comes packed just like this. What's in the box is the safety stand, and it's very substantial. And the EasyPress Mini comes with a little pamphlet that tells you what the temperatures and the lights mean. Okay, so I pre-cut these little decals right here so that we can try them. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to plug and take this guy. I'm going to plug it in. Okay, and we're going to turn it on, and it's going to warm up. This is warming up to low. So we're going to try it on low, we're going to try it on medium, and we're going to try it on high. So while it's warming up, I'm going to tell you about what I have instead of the EasyPress mat. This is called a Steady Buddy. It's a quilting tool. It's really awesome. And I'm going to use this little paint rag that I have. And I'm going to put my little Cricut right here. So we can just kind of test the positioning. While we're waiting on it to warm up. Okay, so it's warmed up and it's green now. And that means it's on low. So what you always want to do when you're pressing anything is you want to make sure your pressing surface is evenly underneath it. See, I'm going to have to fold this because you don't want that crease under there, or you're gonna not get an even press. With this, it doesn't matter so much, but with a big press, it wouldn't press evenly if it had a ridge. Okay, so we're gonna put her or him right there. First, we're going to pre-press the surface because you want to warm it up. You want to do this with all of the easy presses, and it really helps if you do it when you have a press. Okay. Okay, now I always, if I don't have a Teflon sheet, so I'm going to use the other part of my little towel here. This is what, I have a clean one of these that I use when I'm pressing a shirt or anything else. Okay, so we're going to put that over our area to protect the plastic, and then we're going to put our EasyPress on there, and you're supposed to move it around like this, and you can count for about 15 seconds. Okay. Alright, let's see how it did on low. Nope, didn't work too well on low. We can try another 15 seconds on low and see what happens. Okay, so low works. You would have to press it longer. So let's turn it up to medium. So now I've turned it to medium, and we're going to wait for it to warm up. These both will turn green whenever it's warm. Okay. We're warmed up on medium. Just going to move it back and forth for 15 seconds. Now this has a different coating on it so that you can move it like that. The big easy presses you don't have to do that. Okay, and it worked. So you'll just peel it off. Whoop. Didn't press it very good down there. Okay, that's on the very edge of my thing. And for example, this was underneath it, so it wasn't getting an even press. So I'm going to move it up, cover it back up, and just get its little feet. Okay. Alright, now let's try. Okay, and there we go. And what I always do is I press it one more time for about half of 15, so maybe, I mean not really half of 15, but maybe about 5 seconds. Okay, and then Cricut recommends that you press things from the back. So I'm going to turn it over and press it for just about 5 seconds from the back. That kind of pulls it through. Okay. And there we go. Perfect press. You always want to see the texture of the fabric through the vinyl. So that gave a pretty good press. Now that was on medium. A little bit more pressure for about 15 seconds. Didn't get a good even press here, so I had to do it again. Now we're going to do another one on high. High is about, they say it gets as hot as 400 degrees, so it works with the infusible ink. I did this one yesterday on high, and it worked very well. So we're going to push the button again, and it's going to warm up to high. I'm going to figure out where we want to put our other guy, our other decal. So I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to, again, make sure that my pressing surface is nice and even. Now, if you're pressing a onesie or something that has a ridge like this, like the onesies have it here, so you need to put a folded up towel underneath the pressing area. But we don't need that here. So again, I'm going to heat up the area that I'm going to press this. And it's warmed up on high. Okay, and I made this little thing. This is an image I got on Cricut Design Space. I have access right now, so taking full advantage. Okay, so I put it there, and then I'm going to use a clean part of my towel here. That doesn't have anything on it. I'm going to put it over it. And I'm going to press for 15 seconds, see what we got there. So just count. Good firm pressure. Did it. It could use some more pressing, so I'm gonna take the film off and press it again for about 5 seconds. And then going to press it from the back, pull the adhesive through for about 5 seconds. All right. Probably press it a little bit more right there. If you use good firm pressure, you will get a great press. So I'm going to do that just to say I did. Alright, so that was on high. So it works okay on low, works a little bit better on medium, works really well on high. So if you had glitter, you would want to use high, in my opinion. Medium would be great for everyday iron-on or sports flicks maybe. They really don't have a definitive written chart, but you can go on the website and see. Okay, so that is the EasyPress Mini. breathing so it can breathe.